even this one decided to use the other route.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
You can see how the speed at which the waters are coming, even if you're a good swimmer. It becomes so dangerous. As they say, it is always dark before dawn, but this dawn is not forthcoming. And as the meteorological department announced, the rains will increase the intensity during the weekend. And this is the situation. It's an early morning. You can see most of the spots. If you see far there, those are rains. It is raining early in the morning. You can see the skies, the clouds. We found ourselves, this is along Kayole Spine Road, that is in Eastlands, Embakasi region. So this is whatever is happening. I think most of the what do you call it, the drainage, so that's a road, and you can see how that vehicle is struggling. So welcome back to Shifting News, your amazing channel with great views and wonderful videos. And thank you to all our returning subscribers. You are a family to us. You give us the strength to go out for more content, for more videos. And hey,
Shifting News. Explore,
this isn't really happening.
feel, shift.
Oh, like seriously? Now imagine now the vehicles are using the pedestrian walkways, because now most of them cannot manage to go through those waters. See see what is happening. Hey, this is really dangerous. Look, where? For sure there needs something to be done. Hey, our good supporters, this is what is really happening in Kenya. I don't know if these are effects of global warming or what happened or where did we go wrong. God, if this is a punishment you are giving unto us, I think we need to ask for forgiveness. If actually that is going to help the situation. Hey, right now you can never tell, or you cannot tell where the road is, where the drainage tunnel is, and the rains are still pounding and pounding. And look at that border guy. I don't know if it's going to manage. I wish you could have just gone back. That's a little bit dangerous. That vehicle over there just changed their mind. The driver decided no. Okay. Boss, utapita kweli? Wow. Good people, this is a serious case here. I wish that border guy he's being told to go back, but he's not heeding to the advice. And you see now navigating over there. You see, he's being warned to go back. He's not heeding to the advice. I wish he could just go back, because it's becoming too dangerous. Just listen, the others are warning him. Huyo hataki kusikia. Na sasa mbona anasiarudi tu? Hey. Ameamua acha ende tunayo nayo. Now everybody, their concentration is on the border guy, on the motorbike. You know, if there was a police officer, he could have just gone to slap him. That is so dangerous. A dangerous move. Just see. Like kurudi ni ngumu sasa. Oh, ndio maana ameogopa kupanda huku juu.
Hapo mtu mwingine anaweza pita hapa moja beba hivi. Hapa ndio kurudi ngumu. Sasa akipata huyo anasimama kwa?
Oh,
hapo sawa.
vehicles are swimming. Hey, hey. I think something needs to be done over here. This is becoming excessively dangerous, and there is a stream over there. Yeah, I think due to the reasons being that the tomatoes is carrying are so heavy, so maybe climbing a hill becomes a bit challenging. And there is a stream over here coming from this side, and you can see the forces, and you see it carries that whatever, and this is what is currently happening. And the border guy managed to so this is what is happening around this road. The motorbike people have decided to use the pedestrian walkway because this is a bit dangerous. You see the lorry driver is warning the other guy not to proceed, but he has decided let him dare himself. Well, and you see there is a motorbike there that has just gone off in the middle of the waters. See how he's being washed and almost falling down. And you know, the challenge is he doesn't know where we have a tunnel, the drainage tunnel. And right now the border, I think he's carrying some weight, and just see, and I think the weight has gone down. Now everything is effects of the rain. So if you are watching us, we are along Spine Road, that is Kayole in Eastlands. This is Embakasi region, the road that joins you from Kangundo Road all the way to B Center to Greenspan Mall. Then you head to Downpour, where you connect to Outer Ring Road for those who use this road. And you can also, on this other side is the Umoja side, Umoja Estate. I think we have done a video. Just see what is happening here. It's really a pity. And the other person has just stuck. So this one is like now a lake. That motorbike guy has to be very careful not to enter a ditch. Be careful because of the drainage tunnel. He may dare and find out that and you see other smaller vehicles are using the other side of the pedestrian walkway. So on this side is where you head to Greenspan Mall all the way to Downpour. You see that motorbike guy just decided to go back. Even this one decided to use the other route. see the speed at which the waters are coming. Even if you're a good swimmer, it becomes so dangerous. So what I'll do, we are going to use another route, maybe to connect to Umoja and probably see what is happening on the other side, the roads that are connecting to Umoja and the other areas. So that motorbike guy just managed to get to on the other side. I don't know if this motorbike will manage to start. So many of the vehicles are turning back. So if you're watching this is shifting news. And now there is a motorcycle guy, most likely delivering doing a delivery for a refill of the gas cylinder. And he's just daring. You can see the level is past the knee level. And if you're not careful, you can even drown. So right now there is no yellow line to tell you, nothing is visible to tell you where the road is. If you are going on the ditch, you know you have drainage tunnels along this route. And most of them, I think they are blocked. So I don't know, that is a TX or a Prado, a V8. So just going slowly with the waves. So continue watching as we head on the other side to show you amazing views. Niaje? So we are now on a motorbike. We are heading on the side of Umoja, and you can see how vehicles are struggling along this stretch. This is along Kayole Spine Road. And we are using the pedestrian walkways because daring to use the flooded route is hectic. For all those who are supporting our journey, we say thank you for the continued support, and to all our new visitors, make sure you join this amazing family by subscribing, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. So on this left side, this is where we have Umoja. And if you continue straight, you will go to Kambundo Road just after a few meters. You can see most of the drainage tunnels here. They are clogged. So that road over there goes to So these are some of the effects of the rain. So we are back on the road. We are being extra careful because you never know where a ditch is. And this is the Umoja region, Umoja estate. You can go back on our videos within an exclusive tour of the Umoja area. This guy just decides to wash us. So these are the reasons why most of the government agencies are suggesting, if it's not a must for you to travel, just stay at home. And when you are driving on the road, you must be extra careful because you never know. Like now for the flooded roads, you never know where a ditch is. Some of the parts you don't know where the drainage tunnels are located. So this is the current situation due to the ongoing rains, and we also heard about the cyclone Hidaya on the side of the coastal regions, which is coming with a lot of strength. So this is the area of called Kochif in Umoja. So lots of rains everywhere, water on the road. When driving you have to be careful because when there is water it means the roads are slippery. You can see we have busted tunnels where we have overspill of water. Most businesses are open. And it was some days ago when we had a total blackout within the country. So you know that becomes extremely stressful to most people. You are within your house, it is raining outside, you cannot go outside, and then whoop, you don't have electricity. You can see the flooded, really flooded roads. This is within Umoja. That is a lot of dirt there. See, that is now what needs to be reclaimed to ensure that most of the tunnels are always passable. Most of these water, apart from the natural, you can say it is due to the natural flow. can also tame some of the flow by ensuring that the tunnels are not littered. You know, it's all about educating citizens and those involved, especially in cleaning the tunnels, to make sure that all of them are clean to avoid such cases. So that road heads to an estate within there and it's flooded. You can see the tunnel here. Water everywhere. So if you're watching us, we are just doing a round to see the effects of rain in the early morning. I don't know the time you are watching this video, whether it's in the morning, maybe good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching us from and depending on the time you are watching this video. Say thank you to all those who are supporting us. If you are watching this video starting from here, you are watching Shifting News. If you are new here, make sure you join this amazing family. We are now on Manyanja Road. Seems this side is not clogged with lots of water. Probably the roads have been well done. The flat tire, we have a vehicle there with a flat tire. Oh, some of these tunnels also. Tunasimamishia pale kwa list ya kwenda town. So if you have been watching this video, if you have any kind of comment, we welcome you. Feel part of this family, and thank you for watching this video up to this far. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. Thank you and see you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.